Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix text notification sound not working on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button, click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon and enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search data. From here, click on storage and cache and clear cache data app. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Your problem is solved. Thanks for watching.